Hi everyone, we'll be starting in a few minutes from now. Not seeing pretty much of our participants, so waiting them to join. Let's welcome Sveta.
Hey guys, how are you? I don't hear you guys. Where are you? Oh, hi Andres. Good. Hi Annalise. Yeah.
Hi, Svetlana.
Hi George. Hi Rav Subrop. Sorry for the name. Great. Nice to see you guys. Yeah, very good mood. How you wake up? Woke up, guys?
Very good, thanks.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit cold.
Yeah, Sunday at
Fine.
7 o'clock. It's okay.
No, it's a little bit cold.
Oh,
Yeah.
but it's very good time for wake up, make training, for example.
Okay.
Hi, Bruno. Hi, Fabio. Hello, guys. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Miro. Great. Nice to see you guys. Your looks very good. Don't tire it. After 7 days training. Oh, hi, Damian.
Hello,
Hi,
everyone.
Hello,
Hello. Hi, Svetlana.
Oleg. So, great, guys. We will start in 2 minutes. Now you can talk in or prepare your coffee for our meeting. Как хотите. Можете зайти.
It's weird. I think we can start.
Yeah. So, oh, guys, I'm really glad to see you as well. So, I think I'm ready because now we will start our closing ceremony. And now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, great. So our drone operating skills camp is finalizes and now is finishing, but we have today for summary all results, share our experience, and also continue our networking. So our meetings till in 2 hours approximately, and after that we will invite you to our online party, and it will be provided by another platform. We will share with you link after our meeting, and we will continue our networking. So drone operating skill camp, for us it was very impressive and was very interesting experience in it. So because it was provided in remote format, and we collect more countries in it, and yes, you know me, and also you have during all time you can contact me in any time, of course. So I'm very glad that you have participated in our drone operating skill camp. We collect more than 85 participants from 12 countries. Your guys, show us a very good teamwork, very impressive motivation. It was really unbelievable and some surprise for us. Great. It is really amazing event. And now let's welcome to us Oleg Panfilionak. He's CEO and founder at COEX company. He is here. Oleg, welcome.
Yeah, hello everyone. Once again, and thank you, Svetlana, for introduction. And for me, just also the first time, I wasn't very involved in all this process, but I see from the side on it how it going on. And for me, as you, as it's for you, it's very interesting who will win in these competitions, who was good, who was not so good, and so on, because for all of us it was the first time this online format, and the first time for us as well. Actually, it's the first competition that we providing in this format, totally online with international participants. And my congratulations for all of you, because you are pioneers to doing the first time in the world, and congratulations to all our team, and especially for Svetlana Solmatnikova and all other guys who worked with you all these days. It was a hard work, I know, and I think guys was make all the best with this, and I hope it will be beginning for continuous our partnership, and hope to see you on the next competitions as well, and of course hope to see you evening on our evening virtual party, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, great. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Oleg, for your very good words and speech. So, and also, sorry, guys. And also, we would like to say many thanks to WorldSkills Russia organization and personally Alina Daskanova and her team for organizing this event and help us in organizing it. It was a very great deal. Okay, so now we go to summary to finalize your skills. Some words about what we have done, and during the camp you have got new knowledge. You have found new friends. It's really a great event. It will be stay in our memory, of course. So during the camp, you have learned Python language. You know about indoor navigation, computer vision, processing data from sensors, and also you have tried gazebo simulation. And after that, you have a test on the remote venue on real drone. It's very good experience, and I think we will continue it in another events too. And what's interesting, we create some statistics, and we we have got these results. So about autonomous flights, we provide more than 320 for all teams, and the one of the most long program was have a 250 line of code, and also you provide more than 12 hours by working. And also we have sharing with you video tutorials which we created in this event, and duration of this video in summary 8 hours. So great, guys. It was very hard work, and very important that we create a product of this event. It is really good events. Next, so this event, it's a very big and very hard work, of course, and our community, it's not only word, it is a real community which each person help us and involving in our events. It is no, you know, you feel this atmosphere, and it was very amazing because we include our students from another cities in Russia. They guys was winners or prize winners in our competitions and contests and hackathons. And also you now you can see how many people help you and was your supervisor during the camp. So we have some guys from Moscow, we have guys from Novosibirsk, Tomsk, Ijevsk, and it was real amazing work remotely. It's very amazing and crazy. So I would like to introduce again. So for team from United Arab Emirates and for Brazil, you were supervised by Vasily Yuryev. He from Novosibirsk, and he winners of many championships and competition in autonomic robotics. Teams from China, you were supervised by Dmitry Akoneshnikov, Alexei Shikhatichin, Evgeny Kuprin, and Artyom Vasyunik. They guys knows more about autonomous drones. They were participants at the World Skills and another project activities with autonomous drone. It was they share with you their knowledge. Dmitry from Novosibirsk too. So also from Tomsk, you have got help from Artyom Batalov. He very clever guy. He supported teams from Colombia and from Ghana. He provides many training with drones too. Our next guys is Alex Dremov. He was first our World Skills Juniors participation, and he winner this competition 2 years ago. He was supervisor in teams from Singapore, Temasek, and South Africa, Nelson Mandela University. Also, we have another teams from the same countries. They supported, their team coordinator was Miroslav Kidlov. He our first winner in the junior category in the World Skills Kazan 2019. So guys from Portugal and India, you were supervised by our very interesting guys, Evgeny Shklyaev and Igor Demeshko. They are participants at the National Technology Initiative contest in Russia in category of autonomous drones, of course. And I think you can discuss with them about any activities and sharing experience. So next, guys from Barbados, you were supervised by Karina Yanushevskaya and Igor Sidorin. They guys have participants in our contest, of course. It was autonomous flight drones. Team from Barbados, it is your supervisor. And team from Ecuador, you were supported by Igor Garin. He have developed a block programming system for Clover platform. And also Dmitry Akoneshnikov, he supported you too. And he was your team coordinator. He participated in our different activities with flying robotics area. So guys, it's many thanks to you for your help into teams and also for your help into us, because you were as a center of communication between us two. Thank you, guys. Next, of course, our big team, our organizing team. Many thanks to each of you personally. So I'm start from Timofey and Yulia, your teachers. They provide a very interesting training, many practice, and you have got a new skill in programming, and after it you have tested on real drone. Great. So especially thanks for Victoria Trubitsina. She was responsible for time management and for team coordinators team. um, she collect all your reflection and processes it. And many thanks to Elena Siliversova. She supported each team during the launching time of your drones, and she saved your reports and shared with you your results. Great. And also, our chief communication and interpreter, Ilya Hukuni, he supported all during all time, and also he communicated with other teams and help us to be in English all the time. Tatiana Karpova, she was very good supported and creating atmosphere between us. Many thanks too. And many thanks for our technical support from FabLab Copter, Pavel Shishkin, he is director of FabLab Copter, and his team, Anton Maltsev and Svetoslav Alekhin. They built all remote video. They supported our Zoom. They reported our live videos. It's very hard work too. Thank them for it. And the interesting, yes, some photos from our remote venue. Unfortunately, we I don't know why, but we cannot make more photo. This is the best of our collection of photos. Enjoy. And the next slide, it's my favorite slide, I think. Yeah, guys, everyone was cool. I like it. And my team and me personally, we have experienced many great. It was really amazing. And we collect all photos of ours, and it was really great. We worried about that we cannot to give a communicate with you because it's online, but we supported by our team coordinator, we supported by our team, and of course thanks for your motivation and interesting, we create and hold a very friendly and light atmosphere. Great, guys. And yes, guys, you wait these slides more. And we yesterday have prepared all results of it. And you can see at the table of results, we was surprised of your result, of course, and about how you perform in task, how you created this solution. Each team have a different method of solution, and it's a really great, guys. It's a really good. So some words about teams. You have performing a regular task and bonus task. Regular task approximately between 60 or 70 points, and it's mean if you get more than 60 points, you have tried to perform bonus task. It is really good because in our lesson we especially don't preparing any tutorials to performing bonus task, because it's a self-working time, and we were surprised about that many teams performing a bonus task to get more points. So, and the maximum result of our competition, it was 100 points. And the team who reached more than 80 points, was a great result, and 90 points is a more than better. And the absolutely leader of points, Temasek Polytechnic, we congratulate you with your great result. 95 points. It's approximately maximum points. Great work, great work. Okay, so now we have a teamwork time, and first of all, we would like to introduce to welcome our team from Barbados, I think. Guys, I will share your presentation now, and you can prepare it. So also we will divide. We will have two parts of our presentation. We start from some countries, and after that we will continue. So now we will tell our countries from our teams from Ghana, China, Barbados, Portugal, and Colombia. Guys, you will be the first group of speaking. So now you can prepare it, and the first who will be make a speech. It's a team from Portugal. Guys, Bruno, let's welcome you to our meeting.
Hello.
Hello. I can share your presentation, or you will be shared by myself.
No, I think I already sent it. That's okay. You can share.
Okay, just a moment.
I'm the first.
Yeah, Bruno. You need to make more impressions for all guys. Also, during the camp, Bruno have started to learn Russian. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have found it. Okay, great. Bruno, let's welcome.
Yeah. Hello to all. A little of an introduction in English, not in Russian. For myself, this event allowed to recognizing of the areas in which I will have to improve has become more evident. Complementing others and also important. The possibility of sharing opinions in favor of a common interest is very important for us, as for the whole community. It will allow me to continue to make progress in this area, both personally and professional, adding features, applications, and sharing all with others. In information, training, or in school, of course. These skills, this skill can, it makes a big difference for the institution and country, of course, I represent. It acquired acknowledgement that will be shared in the training of new enthusiasts and future professionals in this area. We started some demonstrations already, and it's expected to be held in the next World Skills Portugal, have a national competition, and of course, for that it will be necessary an increase of effort for those involved who are very enthusiastic about the drone, about the drone operating skills. We have already started creation of both physical structures and training reference to move forward A first test, of course, was created with some errands and many questions that appears. In the end of the feedback was very positive and enriching for those who were involved. There is still a lot to do, but we are involved in moving forward. It is a future skills, of course, of sure. So we don't want to miss this trip. Finally, I believe that everything has been said. Sorry, my my appointments, but I repeat this skill camp all through, sponsored by COVID-19. Sorry, went very well. Thanks a lot of the high effort of the organization team. These Russian people are wonderful. Thanks you for all for allowing to be present. And for finish, спасибо вам всем.
Great, Bruno.
Right?
Великолепно. Obrigado.
You're welcome.
Yeah, great.
That's it. That's it.
Okay, Bruno, thank you very much.
Yeah, I thank you.
And the next team will be presented from Brazil. Team from Brazil, you will share it by self or I'll be share it? Okay. I think I'll share it. Your presentation. So team from Brazil was very motivated to participate in, and they make a very great result. And I think they sorry. Oh, great! You are shared. Team from Brazil, I think they told us about how they get it. So team from Brazil, welcome Fabio and Bruno. Yeah, unfortunately we don't hear you guys. Okay, guys.
Brasil, não nos ouvimos, não.
Yeah, okay. While Brazil is preparing, I think we can. Brazil, are you ready or no? Or you need to time more?
Okay.
Fabio?
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah, we hear you.
Yes?
Yeah, great. Perfect sound.
Just a moment.
Okay.
Okay. The share screen.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah, great.
Okay, let's go. We're happy with the results and accruing technology this week. Very happy results. Thank you, Word Skills Russian. Thank you, COEX. Thank you, Svetlana, for dedication. The next team. Okay, let's go. We're from China, then Brazil, from the different regions, states, Minas Gerais, São Paulo, Paraná, and Tocantins. The team won Brazil, composed this Rafael, Fabio, with experts, and Bruno, the competition. The Future Skills Camp, a very opportunity to learning the new technology. Drones in Brazil, this new technology. Increase our network in the countries, other countries, network increasing. You is very happy to get opportunity, a fielded competition environment.
We appreciated very well your help for use in training, and thank you very well. Um, um, I am very happy because this is my first competition, and I liked it. It's amazing, and uh, I am very happy winning and competition. We understand more about the skill and the technology. Um, wrote two phrases for you. Review is maintained as necessary, and success is a process of preservation. It's very important for me. Okay. And planning is matter of time. And good. And who knows? We can see at Shanghai in 2021. Basically, that it's.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
great. Thanks, team from Brazil. And I forgot to told you about how we have a meeting with Fabio.
Okay.
We have a meeting through Instagram.
Yes.
Yeah, it was 2 years ago approximately, and I have wrote him about, oh, you was at World Skills in Sao Paulo. Maybe you would
Yes.
like to participate in drones. Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, and okay, through 2 years you participate in drones. Great, Brazil. I congratulate you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so next team from China. Guys, are you sharing your screen, or you will sharing by yourself?
Maybe we'll share the screen.
Oh, great. Okay, welcome. Wow.
Okay, hello guys. I'm very honored to be here and share our presentation with you. And there will be 3 parts. The first one is about the UAV courses in our university and impressions about the camp, as well as our future plans. And as to the UAV courses in our university, we are from Shijiazhuang Institute of Railway Technology, Hebei, China. And basically, the major concerning about the UAV courses is the Department of Surveying and Engineering. And in this major, we have the UAV application technology courses. So, our teaching aim about UAV application technology is a little different from the thing we learned from this camp. It's about, for example, master the operation and maintenance of UAV and measuring equipment, and having the ability to plan and design UAV route, things like that. Is basically connect the UAV with the mapping and serving. So we have not prepared much about the programming. And I'm very glad that we attend this camp because it complements for what we haven't learned before. And these are some photos of our courses. And as to the impressions about the camp, well, I'm very glad and very honored to attend this camp because I think all the tutors and team coordinators here are very excellent. They have been really patient and really serious when solving our problems. And as to the lecturers, I think the knowledge they taught is very abundant and very detailed. Even for me, who have little knowledge about Python, I have learned a lot. And to our team coordinators, I think is Alexei and Ilya, and they have been really patient. Even I may have asked many stupid questions, but they answered them very patiently. And I feel very thankful to them. And for our future plans, I think that we will do more exercise because we haven't got a very good result from this campaign. So I think we will practice more and hope that we can get more tasks like this so we can practice after the camp. And also maybe to our major, we can add some programming classes like Python or C+ to the UAV courses and to make the autonomous flight more accurate in our courses. Okay, so that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Many thanks for your team and for your involvement for us. Guys from China L, it was great. So next I would like to let's welcome teams from United Arab Emirates. Annalise, welcome.
Hi there. I'm trying to share the screen. Hold on one second.
Hi, Mustafa.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, it's good. Your sounds is good.
Great, and you can see the screen, yes? Excellent. Hi, everyone. My name's Annalisa. I'm with Prometheus. We're an organization in the UAE that works with students, schools, ministries, and I was really excited at the chance to be a part of this program because I haven't gotten a chance to get really hands-on with the coding side. So I learned quite a bit, but Mustafa and I will talk about that a bit more. Personal drone skills gained. So I don't have a strong coding background. So I got a really fun introduction to how far you can go with it. I thought it was really exciting to see Mustafa and Vasily working together to build the code and troubleshoot, debug it. Okay? It definitely made me go, okay, I feel excited about learning more myself and using the drone we have here to try some things out. And I'm sure Mustafa would like to say something about some of the things he found interesting and exciting from the training. Mustafa, can you? Okay, awesome.
Okay. First of all, thank you all, everyone, for your hard work and coordination. The coordination was amazing. whether it's the simulation, the real flights tests, everything was amazing. The experience had like impacted me in so many levels, like how this can be applied, whether it's virtual or on-site as a training. The ready-made platform, Clover or other platforms, and the ready-made libraries and softwares, this can help introduce this platform to younger students, which is one of the most important things. Like learning this in a younger age is very important, and drones has always been a very strong and um, very good educational tool to teach, whether it's mechanics, aerodynamics, electronics, programming, control. It's it's a very good educational platform. So I think this has been a very good experience. I think this can be introduced to students starting from the age of I guess 6. I guess it's gonna be great. So that's my take on this. So you can go on.
I think that takes us right into the future plans. So we'd had the opportunity to have Timothy come and do a short training here in the UAE. You see some pictures here. But I think this training has really opened the scope of what's possible virtually. I very much feel, Svetlana, like you and I have met in real life, even though we've only ever communicated via Zoom and messaging. So it's really exciting how personal these programs can become. I look forward to talking with you guys about engaging more students with programming the drones and working on these projects. I look forward to myself using this as a personal challenge to do more with programming. And I think it'll keep staying fun. So we want to say thank you again so much, COEX team. You guys were fantastic. This is one of the most organized projects I've been a part of in quite a while. And I think you've really shown everyone how you can take a bad situation like COVID in 2020 and turn it into a really interesting challenge. And you definitely rose to the occasion. So congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you, Annalise, and very nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Great. Thank you very much, Annalise and Mustafa. Your results and your motivation, your interest in it was very, very great. Thanks for your participation. Okay, so next team will be from China Y, and after it will be a team from Colombia. Okay, team from China Y. Are you here? You can share it, or you would like to share it by me? Okay, while we wait team from China, team from Colombia, are you ready? Yeah, Andres, I see you. Okay, so guys, let's welcome.
Hi. I think we are ready now. So if you want to share the screen, please.
Okay.
It's just one slide. It's not a big deal.
Okay, I can share your presentation. Just a moment. Okay, the final result. Yes, the official version of presentation. Just a moment.
Lo está buscando, que ya lo va a montar. Okay. Hi everyone. This is.
Just a moment.
This is our.
Just a moment.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't know what happens. Sorry. one. No. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, let's start.
Okay, thank you, Svet. Hi, everyone. We are too glad to meet you, to stay here with you guys today. And our team is the first time that our team from Sena in Colombia it's in a virtual session like this. We are Adrian, Emiro, and Andres. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you, Svetlana. Thank you for all the team coordinators. Thank you for all your help. It's an honor to be here, honestly. First by all, we want to thank you for your patience as well, and your time to explain and show us all the capacity of this job and all this industry, right? You were a great masters. You are very, you are very, you are a high capacity to teach for us all your knowledge. And finally, of course, what a wonderful patience with us because we have a lot of questions every time. This is our first time here, so it was complicated, but you did it very well, very well. Thank you for all. Thank you for all. We are very happy and joyful to share with everyone in our country about all this knowledge in this camp. Thank you so much. And of course, all the knowledge that we'll acquire here, it's for our benefits here in our country in Colombia. We want to share this experience with the rest of the guys here, with our technological here in our city in Medellin. If you want to come, you're welcome. And well, the team members are Adrian, Emiro, and myself by the translator. Emiro and Adrian were to Kazan the last year, in 2019, and South Korea as well for competitions. And now we are here to learn and have new skills for our drones and our job that will improve in the future here. And thank you for all. Thank you for all this knowledge. Thank you for all your patience. I don't have any words to say or many else to say about you. Thank you so much. We are very happy for this experience. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the teams. Thank you for all the countries. And Artem, if you stay here, thank you so much. You are a great person. And okay, I think that is all for today. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks. Thank you, teams from Colombia, Andres, Emiro. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Just a moment. Thank you so much too. We are very glad that you joined to us because it was a very random meeting in the Facebook. We have a conversation with Emiro, and I know that he knows about mobile robotics, and I offered him about participate in drone operating, and he accepted, and the team sent here. Great, guys. You have a very good result from our drone operating camp, and also you're a very fun team. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. See you later.
Thank you so much.
Great. So let's now we will continue our presentation, but sorry, just a moment. Okay, so now we will start continue our presentation, but before we provide 10 minutes break for you and for us. and after 10 minutes, it will be it will be 3 o'clock and 25 minutes. We will start, we will continue our presentation, and also we will hear another presentation from all teams. Thank you so much, and break 10 minutes, and after that we will come back to Okay, guys, we are here. Ilya, are you ready? Do you hear me? Ilya, are you ready? Так, sorry guys, please mute all microphones because we have another noise around you. Okay, so let's start. So now we will continue our presentation, and in the end of our presentation, we will invite you to speak about your experience. It will be second block of presentation. So now I shared my screen. Okay, great. So we talked with you about our summing up of this camp. Also, you have shared your experience, part of you. And now I think you have a question, what is next? So what we are going to do next, what COEX does daily. So we told you about our activities. We provide these regular activities. It can be events such as competition, contests, many conferences, or webinars and training as well. So and during this time you can join us to any activities. First of all, of course, it can be activities according to World Skills Competition, national competitions. You can join us in any category, starting from juniors and so go to young specialist or university or student from university. Also, you can join us in online courses in programming using Gazebo simulator and also coding by Python and C++. We can provide for your courses for starting in learning for beginners to get knowledge in Python or C++. So, and also we have very big activities. We started it recently. It's about drone project activity. So, you know, we have a very big community. We have a very big team, and also we have a very creativity team. So many people, many students wants to create something new, and our company wants to support these ideas, and we organize events about drone projects. And this event includes supports and mentoring and cooperation and partnership in the future. These activities you can join to us as well. So next, So one of the most populator activities, of course, it's world skills competitions. We started this competition from 12 years for juniors, and for college for students from colleges, it's started in 16. Next, it's a university league, high tech, and senior skills. You can join us in our national competitions. Please write me before early if you want to participate in, and we will apply to you in our nearest events, of course. So next, also we provide more activities, and we use COEX Clover. So this equipment, it's not only hardware. You know that it's complex. It's full. It's a whole system of engineering. So you can start it from assembling, and next at programming and flights. And very important that we provide a trajectory for students from Clover for starting their introduction with drones. And after that, using this equipment, using the same software such as Pixhawk and Raspberry Pi, you can continue on a real industrial drone, a big drone, such as our another product, Pelican. So this system help us to prepare it very good specialists, young specialists, and involve them to very important problems. So yes, of course, it's some students' drone projects. You can now you have knowledge about Clover. You have using our online platform for education, our Gitbook, and now you can add your project. You can add your any ideas. You can share your ideas with us using our platform Gitbook. I think it's very good tool for share it and popularize your ideas. Just a moment. And of course, we are as a company, we need to have a good specialist, and we know that if you want to do it something, doing by self. So that is why we preparing specialists using Clover, using our Pelican, and using our community and events and competition. Yes, and don't forget about main trends in their occupation, about developing, of course, about operating, about testing different type of drones, maybe software developing, and etc. So next, our all activities, it's for not only for local for localization. We want to grow globally, and I would like to welcome Ilya. He taught us about it. Ilya, welcome. I think you need to change your channel. Ilya, we don't hear you. Мы тебя не слышим, потому что ты находишься в комнате переводчиков. Тебе либо перезайти Zoom, лучше перезайди через другой Zoom. Я оставлю слайд. Okay. So sorry for some technical problem, and yeah, cannot to say because he has a separate channel in the Zoom. So okay, I will tell you about what we offer to our such as our partnerships, method of our partnerships. So we are a big company who produce the drones, who provide educational trainings, who prepare new specialists, and this is very great opportunity to be involved in this area, in this community. We use open source software, and it is mean that our community very wide has a wide range. Sometimes sorry, we have developers from who prepared software for big companies such as PX4 and Raspberry Pi, and our software developer is very big guys in the world of developers, and they are second year participate in the big summit of software developers in PX4. It is a very big community who produce equipment, who provide software for drones. And they guys was surprised. Then we talked them about Clover platform, about our educational courses, about our materials, and the main thing about how many people involved in this community. It's very interesting, and we want to extend our community involving your teams, your countries to us, and create and change the world to better sides. And it is, I think it is very great, and for us and for you, because only together we can change the world. So, and this one, I think many teams told us about how they want to have a partnership with us and work together with cooperation. So, and now we go to the second block of your presentation. Oh, sorry, not this slide. Yeah, and some words about Clover, of course. We have, for now, we have 16 and more countries involved in this community, more than 12 international weights providing, and our global community members, it's number more than 500, and that's all. It's not all. I think it may be not a big part of our activities, but you can join to us. But I think you have joined to us because your drone creating skill camp has passed, and you stay with us together. So next, open microphone, and let's start to listen your presentations. We will start a team from Singapore, from Temasek Polytechnic. Please join to us.
Yeah, hi, hi everybody.
Great.
I can see me. Right, hello, my name is Kingman and I represent the team from Singapore Temasek Polytechnic. So firstly, I want to thank the COEX team for organizing this incredible event for everyone. Right, you guys have worked very hard in hosting and coordinating with 12 countries in different time zones. And actually, I feel very bad that while I was sleeping, you were working, right? So thanks for all the hard work. And I also want to thank Alex, who has helped us in a lot of our tasks. He has been very patient in his guidance, and also grateful to Ilya and Svetlana for inviting us to this training. Well, Svetlana, would you be so kind to share our slides? I only have one.
Yes, I uploaded it, and it's opening process. Yeah, just a moment. Also, you can share it by self.
Oh, okay. If you want me, I'll share it myself.
Yes. Yeah. It will be better. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Okay, so this is my polytechnic in Singapore. So we have a small department of staff and students doing drones. So you can see that okay, basically we do projects on big drones outdoor, and we also have small drones like DJIs, and we also do some experimental projects on some drones that don't fly on batteries. So we're actually a very small team trying to do a lot of things. So we are very grateful for the training that we have received from COEX. Right, this few days was really like a crash course, literally. Right, so we learned a lot during this time, and we believe we can apply all the knowledge that we have gained in our practices, right? And after we practice enough, we can train our students to be a better drone operator, right? So I also would lastly, we are looking forward to more cooperation with COEX in the future, and to advance the working relationship, right? So yeah, that's all I have to share. Thank you very much for all the efforts that you help us. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you too. Thank you for joining to us. It was very impressive for me when I see your chat. Many messages in about our technical features, about programming features. It was very great, and Sasha told me about your interest in this system. It's very great and interesting, and I hope you will continue develop and sharing your experience between your students and preparing some interesting projects of it.
Yes. Yeah, sure. Thank you very much.
Yeah, great. Thank you. So next team from India. Let's welcome.
We from India, around 4 students, 1 expert and 1 coordinator, we have participated in this future skill drone conference. I'm just seeing my slide.
Okay, sorry, your sound is not bad. Could you check your microphone? And also, what about presentation? You can share or me?
Yes, I'm sharing my presentation. Hello, am I audible?
Sorry.
Am I audible now?
Where is who it who will speak now?
I'm Rajat from India. So, can you see my slide? Can you able to see my slides?
Yeah, no, we don't see your slides.
I think there is some technical problem. To my university, Viram Global University from India. So in 2019, I participated in varsity competitions, the skill of water technology. So after that, we saw future skills competitions in Kajan, World. So there are many competitions. So from our university, we were interested in all these courses in our regular curriculum. So in 2019 October, I have visited also COEX. Here. Starting new things in our city. Visited so in future we'll be definitely will be doing more work on this drone platform, drone operating skills, and we are interested to start our camp in different schools in association with World Skills India. Thank you all for your support during this camp training, future skills camp training. fine team. I'm very much thankful to Mr. Evgeny and Igor for their support during.
Yeah, thank you too for your participating. It was very very important for us because the previous BRICS skills not from India doesn't participated in the BRICS competitions. You are first country you are involved in this community, in these events, and I think you will stay participate in other events too. So the next team from Barbados, let's welcome. Hi, Jarvis. Yes, good morning too for you.
Okay, I'm going to share our presentation.
Yeah, you will share by self or?
Yes, I will. I will share it.
Great, perfect.
All right, good morning again, guys. My name is Jarvis. I'm representing Team Barbados. Members of my team, we have Naka Ford, Kimar Hines, and Andrew Gittins. First of all, I'd just like to say thank you to Svetlana, first of all, the World Skills team, the COEX team, for inviting us to the Future Skills Camp 2020. And I must say a big thank you to our team coordinator, Karina. She was most patient in trying to explain, what we couldn't understand, because this was, for many of us on my team, this is our first experience in the drone field, so to speak. And I would just like to say right now to all members in all countries, and I learned this from Karina. I hope I have the pronunciation correct, but let me just say it to one and all, Hiroshi Urabota. And that translates to good job to one and all. Okay.
Perfect. You and Portugal, two teams who start learn Russian.
Yeah. All right. Now, our personal drone skills. Before we attended the camp, our team was relatively new to the field of drone operations. We've previously had only one session, and that basically was how to fly and operate the drone. There was nothing technical involved in that training session. So we had literally no programming experience in operating a drone, and definitely no experience using autonomous drone operation. All right, so this entire camp was completely new to us. However, after we've completed the camp, I must say that we've learned a great deal. Python coding and debugging. I don't know for the rest of you guys, but this took up the majority of our time. Everything was coding, writing code, debugging the code, trying to get errors correct, making sure that our heights were correct, making sure we had the coordinates correct. You know, that took up a lot of time, and I think we and my team, we've learned a lot from doing that exercise. Design the autonomous flight patterns. I must say, I think we are pretty good at this now. The components such as the laser finder and determining the heights of the object, etc. That was pretty insightful. And the barcode and QR techniques. I have personally developed interest in using barcodes now because I can see a lot of applications for it. I'm actually thinking of implementing something for a school now, whereby the students can just scan a QR code and get some information pertaining to what class they're in, well, stuff along those areas. So, presentation is going to be pretty brief. From what we've gathered, I can see us using a lot of information. Currently, we're working on designing a drone operations and maintenance program at our institution. All right, so we're refurbishing an existing lab. We've purchased several drones, and we're looking to take the drone operation to the next level. Hopefully, we're hoping to be the first in our island nation, so to speak, to create, similar to what we just partake in, we would like to have skills camps and skills competitions taking place in Barbados. All right, so we will be coming forward to World Skills with an incredible and awesome team for the next competition. So guys, keep your ears out, Barbados is coming.
Great.
Yeah. So, like I said, from the skills that we've learned, we will be including some of the tasks and modifying them to train our students. Yeah, that's it from that point of view. So, like I said again, Barbados, we'll be there. Camp impressions. Very impressed with the Clover drone. I'm fascinated with the gazebo simulator. We will be looking, I don't know if this is compatible with other drones, but we will be looking to use something similar to this, if not this. Svetlana, maybe you can assist with that. And if you wish, you can also assist in donating one of our drone kits to us, so that, you know. Yeah, and the Raspberry Pi. The Pi is it's a very, how should I say? It's a very versatile tool. We can use it for not just drones, but a lot of other stuff. So I like the addition of the Raspberry Pi. Insightful, OpenCV and Laser Finder and the other components. I really enjoy those. My team, we had a lot of time spent researching the OpenCV and doing a lot of Google searches and YouTube searches to see exactly how this component works. And it was a lot to do for us being new to this field. It was a lot to do, but we ended up learning a lot. So I have to put in this little point here saying that it was a lot to do in little time, considering our challenges and drawbacks, so to speak. But all in all, I must say that the entire experience was enjoyable, not just from myself, but from the entire team from Barbados. Okay. Again, we're looking forward to implementing the skills learned. And Yeah, I think that's it. So once again, thank you from Team Barbados.
Great picture, great picture. Thank you, Jarvis, for very full presentation, and it was very good chance for us to make operation, and also we invite you to Russia, of course.
Why, thank you.
Yeah. Great that you will have your skill and make application is quickly. Yes, it will be great for both sides, of course. Okay, thank you, team from Barbados. Very
Barbados
warm
saying bye.
country. Oh, I want to go to sea.
Well, you can come anytime when the
Okay.
flights are open.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
So next team, let's welcome the next team, team from Ghana. Guys, are you ready? Great. Welcome, Ghana. This is our new member of our community too.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, okay, you can start.
It's an afternoon here, so I would say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone, since the time zones are different. I'm Enoch Akese. My group members are Salifu Abdullahi Moses Azuri from Sunyani Technical University in Ghana. And we are very much grateful for the opportunity. Before this program, we've never had anything some of us haven't seen videos before. I personally had a small one, so that was the only thing. But to be able to write a program for a drone to respond to was something very hard to think of. But for now, I know it's very easy, possible to do, and our team is very grateful. And would also say one big thank you to our campus supervisor, who is Dr. Raj Lingam, who has been a very great influence on us, checking on us to attend. Yesterday I was late just because I was researching on how to do the QR assignment, and I was just running from my hostel to wherever to get access to a meeting before the meeting is over. It was nice. For my personal enhancement, I'm a little bit curious. So I would be happy and grateful if COEX and Clover would come to Ghana and start the training in our school, which will be the very first place in Ghana. Actually, we are 374 kilometers away from the capital. So if we started first, it would be great. It would be great. And I know I have many colleagues on campus who are worrying me because I'm taking this online program. And I would say one great person, I have to thank him later, but on the next slide, but I'll say it now. Everybody's saying there are team coordinator is great, patient, and everything. But my team coordinator is unique. I don't know how to put it. I even want to be like him because he's very, very, very patient, good, everything. So I'm thanking him in advance because the next slide will thank him, but I'm thanking him in advance. I would also thank, if I mentioned the name wrongly, forgive me, Timofey. He's a very good person too. I like him. And our future plans is what I just said previously. I would love that Clover Ghana, that's the name I've mentioned for you, COEX and then Clover would come to Ghana very soon. I want it to be very soon because I really want to have a feel and touch of the drone, like physical touch of the drones, and then do whatever I want to do with it and see the way forward. For the thanking officially, is my slide showing. I'm officially thanking the COEX Clover WorldSkills Russia team, everybody from the CEO to all our the technical personnel, everybody in the Clover COEX WorldSkills Russia team. We are thanking you. I didn't know this would be possible on Zoom, but I've learned a lot from you. I'd also thank my team coordinator again. This is on the official slide I have. So I'll say, Artem, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. You've been very good to us. We'll also thank our school, which is Sunyani Technical University, Faculty of Engineering, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, for giving us the opportunity to have this training to build our knowledge base on this. In our campus, we don't have anything on drone. We don't have anything on drones. So this is very new to us. We don't know anything about drones. So I would be happy if COEX, Clover, WorldSkills Russia would come to Ghana as soon as possible. I'll be very, very happy. Thank you once again. And I'll say, in our language, I'll say medase, which is thank you. Bye.
Okay. Many thanks to Ghana, to Enoch. Thanks for your invitation. We come to Ghana as soon as possible, of course, as well. Okay. Next team from China. Why?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Switzerland.
Hi. So I think you are ready. I will share my screen for your presentation.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, it will be convenient for you. I start my sharing screen.
Just the second two slides, I think is okay.
Okay, no problem. Okay, but don't forget about 3 minutes because we have not little time, not more time. So just a moment. Oh, my Zoom. Okay. Yeah. So I'm ready.
Oh, thank you. Hello, everyone. We are from China Y team. First of all, we'd like to thank Switzerland, the whole and the Clover team to help us learning so many valuable skills. We really have a great time. Our team members are from 5 schools in 5 different provinces in China. I'm from Shandong. Please next slide. Yes, thank you. I'm from the Shandong 劳动职业技术学院, which is in Shandong province, and the others are from they are Jiangsu Changzhou 技师学院 in Jiangsu province, and 浙江机电 in Zhejiang province, and 安徽交通职业技术学院 in Anhui province, and 张家界航空工业职业技术学院 in Hunan provinces. This is our first time to participate in this camp, especially a remote camp. We have met lots of challenges, and some of us even don't have a Google account, so it's not convenient. It's not easy to create a Google account due to our country policy. So I think we will be prepared better next time. But we really have a great time. Our team coordinator, Yugen, helped a lot. We even discussed which codes would be better, and not just only to complete the task, but to how to understand the skills better. We really appreciate that. After the camp, we will share our experience with our brother schools and encourage them to join this camp. We saw a lot of the other teams' results. They are really brilliant, and we are looking forward to communicate with other countries and to learn more interesting tasks together. At last, welcome to China, and we are looking forward to meeting you in the next camp class. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hao-Tan. We are very we are very pleased that you participate with us, and we don't forget about our international training in South Feidian College. It was amazing experience for us, for me, and for Yulia Shishkanova as well, and it was a very great opportunity to meet you, your team, and invite you to our skills camp.
Yes, it's really amazing, all of us, and we are so enthusiastic with that. But so this is the first time, so we are not prepared so well, so it will be to do better next time. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Great. So now the next team, we have 2 teams, and the next team from South Africa, Damian. I have downloaded your video, and I will try to share it. I hope it will be.
Thank you very much.
I hope it will be great. So
okay, just before you start the one, full disclosure, we had done a really nice presentation, and unfortunately about an hour before this meeting, my hard drive dislodged itself and destroyed the presentation. So unfortunately, we've had to just do the voiceover with one of our videos. So enjoy.
Just a moment. Yeah, I think I advise you to make a load, to less your sound. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. Oh, this one. So, do you see my screen? Yeah?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. What about now?
Got a blank screen, yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's my first experience in sharing the video. Okay, I will try it. This one.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Damien Mooney, and with my colleague Jacques Velfermut, we'd like to give you...
Guys, I'm sorry. Do you hear it?
Yes.
Yes?
Coming.
Great. Great, great. Okay, so let's start watching this film, this amazing film. Okay, let's start it.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Damien Mooney, and with my colleague Jacques Velfermut, we'd like to give you an introduction to who we are and where we fit into the exciting world of drones. Unfortunately, our hard drive crashed about an hour ago, and the actual presentation I was going to give you has gone missing. So hopefully you'll allow me to read the original voiceover while I play a video of some of the funnier projects we've had in our research lab over the past year. We are speaking to you from the coastal city of Port Elizabeth in sunny South Africa. Our city is part of the well-known Garden Route, a stretch of road that follows the southernmost coast of Africa all the way from Cape Town to Port Elizabeth, with some of the world's best destinations for surfing, paragliding, shark diving and bungee jumping. Stretching along a fair amount of the coastline are the campuses of Nelson Mandela University, with our science campus housed in Port Elizabeth itself. At the university we have a very strong mechatronic engineering faculty, and although we are not offering drone technology as a syllabus yet, we appreciate it that it is a necessary future discipline, and as a result have started the Mandela Uni Autonomous Operations Group, a lab facility where we mentor and assist students who would like to include autonomous operations in their master's or PhD projects. Jacques Velfermut, or Jimmy as most of us call him, is one of the first students in the lab who is performing his master's in mechatronic engineering on drone technology in the security industry. He has only actively been involved in drone technology for 1 year, but has proved himself to be a very fast learner with a can-do attitude and a good sense of humor for when it all goes horribly wrong. The lab is mentored by 2 full-size commercial test pilots with many years of experience in aircraft development, which means that a lot of our work so far has been on the rapid prototyping of very large drones with limited work on the autonomous control side. Our biggest multi-rotor is a 3-meter diameter quad which puts out 120 kilograms of thrust with an onboard generator that can keep it airborne for 2 hours. Our latest project is a 7-meter VTOL drone under development using both petrol and electric motors. This drone is designed to lift 80 kilograms worth of marine sensors from the university campus and fly them out to the ocean, where they're lowered into the water before the drone returns to the campus. The common missing part of these projects has been accurate autonomous takeoff and landing, the type of accuracy where we could land on a vessel out to sea or on a small vehicle on land. By meeting the COEX team in South Africa in 2018 and again in Kazan in 2019, we have been exposed to a whole new world of airborne robotics, but until then we thought was only for high-level research in isolated universities. The way that the COEX team have brought drone programming to the learners in a simple, cost-effective way is truly inspiring. The work has helped to point our students in the right direction and has undoubtedly pushed our research lab into a whole new level of drone research. The future definitely involves COEX. In our lab, we run a small non-profit class to assist high school learners in getting ahead in engineering principles. A fundamental problem in South Africa, as I'm sure in many other countries, is funding for non-profit teaching. The COEX package that we have seen over the past few days during the camp is clearly a very efficient and cost-effective teaching tool, and I have no doubt that we could approach our government's teaching departments and present the COEX package as a new and necessary for the future teaching syllabus for schools. From our side, as a research lab at the university, we can see a strong bond forming with COEX, where hopefully our experience in platform building and their strength in software development will definitely lead to some exciting new drones. To sign off, let us once again say congratulations to COEX for coming up with this concept and then turning it into such a successful reality. Your team deserves to be very proud of yourselves working in these difficult conditions. Thank you once again for inviting us and making it a relevant event with the right amount of fun thrown in for good measure. Congratulations as well to all the new teams who entered and performed so well first time. It was great to meet you all. Take care of yourselves and hopefully we'll see you soon face to face.
Great video. Thank you, Damian. It was a very amazing presentation as well. Yeah, great. I hope you have heard all all sound from this video? Yes, great. Thank Damian. So with Damian, we have the first meeting at the World Skills Kazan, and before Kazan, my colleague, Timofey, and our software developer Oleg, and another guy Alexei, my very good friend, they have participated in the BRICS challenge in South Africa in 2018. Yes, and after when they come back to Russia, they told me, "Oh, it's amazing country, amazing chief experts." Yeah, it's a very good guy. You can have a networking with him and cooperate. So thanks team from South Africa. Thanks Jack too. I have seen your photos too. And now let's welcome team from Ecuador. This team have joined to us recently. It's the last wagon on the train. But I was really impressed and surprised their motivation. They really want to control drones, to get new knowledges. It was very pleasure. Thanks, guys, and let's welcome your presentation.
Okay, good morning for everyone. Thank you, Lana, for the opportunity. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, let me see. I don't know if you are watching the presentation.
Yeah, we are watch it. You can. It's okay. You can start it.
Okay. Thank you for everyone. I represent the Americas University of Ecuador. For us, it's very important because we can share our experience or knowledge. I can show you some photos of my country. It's a beautiful country. If you can come, welcome every time that you want. I'm going to share with you my two students. They are Esteban and Aura. They are students of electronics and automation engineering. They are in the first year of the career. And I am very excited for this participation, and I am very proud of their participation with the team. I hope they can win some prizes in the future, and we are very excited for this moment. I want to share some best moments of the participation. We are very excited for the friendly and the support all the team of Russia give us during the whole week. And I want to share with you too some words or some expressions of my students. I don't know if it's Esteban and Aura, you can talk a little bit, please.
Hi, I am Esteban. So for me, it's a pleasure to share with another countries, and I really appreciate that everybody is kind, is a friendly environment, and it was so exciting for me to participate with another into the world, and I hope that we can participate in another times with you, and you are welcome if you want to come to Ecuador, wherever you want. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Esteban. Aura?
Yeah, really agree with Esteban. I'm Aura. And I'm just want to say that I'm really pleased for participating on this task in this course, because it was a great experience. I like a lot all the knowledge you gave us. All of you were really nice to us. So I think that people that are nice to us is better to teach. So I think that we'll learn a lot of you, and I'm really grateful for that. So that's what I like to say.
Okay, I want to say thank you to Svetlana and Igor. They were together in all this road. I want to highlight the methodology that you use to this contest. You put some knowledge in our brains, and then we try to do some code in Python.
We can.
We try to connect with the drone, and this part was very amazing too, because we don't need any special computer or any special software in our computers. So it was amazing, and the technology that you are using for us is very important to know, because for us it's the first time that we participate in this camp. And I want to highlight too the friendly of all the organizers, the organization, because every day we see a smile in your face, and this is important for us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I really want to say thank you to Svetlana and Igor specifically, because you were a real support for us. So thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, Svetlana.
You are welcome, guys, and welcome to our friendly community. You are part of it, and be with us always in any time. Okay, thanks, many thanks all teams. So,
Hey, Ana, this is Santiago. Just want to
Santiago,
2 words.
oh, Santiago here.
Hi.
Okay. Hi,
No,
hi,
this is
Santiago.
hi, how are you? No, this is just to say thank you in by behalf of WorldSkills Ecuador. Thank you, all the team, Mego, Dimitri, that help our teams, and also the hard work for our teams. And we are looking here for working with you, with Ecuador, not only with the institutions that participated in this event, so with many other ones. We work here from junior school, from basic school, from forward. And we were sorry we were not able to be in Kazan last year, but in the rest of activities, I will be enjoying it and joining it with Ecuador. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Santiago. Thank you for your participating and for your support and for your hard work, because it's you entering your team in our drone creating skill camp, and I'm very glad that it's happened. You are very awesome guys. You're great, and I hope we will still cooperate in near time.
Yeah, sure. Here we are.
Great.
Bye.
Great. So I hope all of participants, all teams who wants to present their presentation, their ideas, done it. Maybe anyone, maybe we lost someone. No, okay, great. So now I continue my presentation. It takes a little time. So don't forget that after our meeting, we can have a conversation, a virtual party in the special platform. My colleagues will share a link with you in common Telegram group. So next, yeah. So we are finalists. All results you have presented in our drone tracing camp. It's a very great event, I think, and I want to say thanks to all from all my team. You are very interesting guys. You are motivated. Your creativity, and that's all. It's this event when you want to repeat it, to create it, to change it, and I think we will have more meetings, maybe offline, maybe online, but we only keep in touch in all the time. So, and one more thing. During the presentation, we listen about your experience and about that you need some equipment of it, and what do you want to do it, and we prepared a special offer for you, for your organization. This is a online store when you can get a Clover platform, or you can get courses for autonomous programming, for gazebo programming. You can use a special promo code FSCamp 2020 for it, and this will this promo code will make discounts to you. So I hope you make a screen of this. And now, yeah, also, of course, Gazebo Simulator course will be provided by us, by Timofey, by Yulia. So, and next, we stay our contacts. Please feel free to ask me about anything from competition sites or another. Also, Ilya Hufuni, he managing director for Greater China region. You can ask him and chat with him. And also our CEO, Oleg Panfilenak, he open always to your ideas, to your questions, to your ideas for cooperation as well. And feel free to write us, and we will help you in any and try to answer your question. So that's all for our meeting. And guys, I miss you. I miss you now because event still duration of this event is 7 days. It's a very big time to make a friendly, to make a friends. It is very good event, yes. So and also thanks to all again for your amazing support, for your wish to be better, to change the world, to change world around you. It is very important things for all of us, and this is thing that help us to change the world. So, and also I I would like to offer you turn on your webcams. We see you and we make a common photo using our Zoom platform. Please turn webcams on. Great, guys. See you. Bruno, Kangmoon, Lia, Enoch, Santiago. Where is Santiago? Yeah, I see you. Andrew, Ramsrup, Tank Singapore, Vivek Kumar, Jarvis, Mario, Jacques, oh, Annalise, great. Fabio and Bruno, okay, Columbia Andres here. Our team coordinator here, great guys. Jai, yes, great. So anybody else? Great, Totem, Lizzie Way, hi. Great. So I think we will start make a photos. So be smiling, guys. Where is your smile? Great, great, great. Hi, Mira. Just a moment. I save for all photos. Okay, please start again. Smile. Great. And some photos again. Okay. So where is your smile, guys? Smile. Great. And last one photos again. Smile. Okay. Thank you to all, guys. I miss you really. I miss you again. We don't finish our event and I miss you. So, now we have shared a link for our online party for you. Please join to us in another platform. We will await you there. And let's continue our networking and chatting in this platform. See you guys. Thanks for this amazing event. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Thank you so much. Thank you. See you later.
For everything.
See you.